One word becomes a shifting pattern of sliced bands. It begins as one untouched text shape. Chop path separates it. Wave bends the generated slices. Start with a square composition and a dark background. Add one centered word using a heavy typeface. Add the chop path as a text's first deformer. Count controls how many sections are cut from the shape. Add a frame behavior to the chop path angle. The current frame now controls the cutting direction. The same source is divided differently at every frame. Add the stagger to the chop path spread. At 0, every section receives the same spread value. Expand the range to push each section differently. Frame varies the cuts over time. Stagger varies the sections. Add the wave after chop path in the deformer stack. Wave bends every section generated by chop path. Animate the slice count and wave frequency together. At frame 60, create more slices and denser waves. At frame 120, reduce the slices and tighten the waves. The word shifts from broad bends to dense distortion. Set both curves to oscillate after their final keys. Oscillate retraces the values and completes the loop. One text shape now generates every cut, offset and wave. The source stays simple while connected rules create the complexity. Link to the file in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.